We now have the mighty Huey. He should pitch up any second with a nice wing over at the top. Now this is a manoeuvre they use when they need to change direction relatively quickly. As you can see, there he goes, pulling round, and he'll come back in towards the crowd. As he comes back in, you'll see the nose raise as he's trying to bleed off some of that speed and come to a stop right in front of the crowd. Also sitting on board the Huey today, we have the crewman. Now the crewman's job, you can see him leaning out the back of the aircraft there, he looks after everything behind the pilot. Today, it's Sergeant David Huey. Dave was born in Wellington, and before he came to be a helicopter crewman, he did 7 years with the Royal New Zealand Army Engineers. He joined 3 Squadron in 2007. Now once again, the great thing about a helicopter is you can see the display nice and close in a nice tight area. But at the moment Rob is just showing you some of the handling characteristics of the Iroquois. If you watch closely as they come past, any moment you should see a pair of feet appear outside the aeroplane and slowly lower to the ground. There we go. Hanging on the wire today is Darren Sharp, another king of the 534, and he brought the airborne in 95. For those people who are thinking of an Air Force career, flying Iroquois for about 45 years or so. As we discussed a little bit this morning, we are currently going through an upgrade program with many of the aircraft in the fleet, and the aircraft is going to be replaced by NH Industries NH90. Once again, we're going from a 45-year-old aircraft to an extremely modern, extremely capable airplane. But don't worry, if you have a soft spot for the Iroquois, as I do, it will still be around for a couple of years yet while we get all the pilots trained up and get to an operational point with the new helicopters. Now you'll see the Iroquois has no wheels, but if you watch closely, you'll drop it down and actually slide along the ground a little bit. Once again, all these things that you've seen the Iroquois do all have an operational use. One of the other interesting design features of the Iroquois is when it was initially designed, it had a major design point, and that is it had to be able to fit into the back of a C-130 Hercules to be transported anywhere in the world. It takes a little bit of disassembly to do so. The main rotor comes off, the mast comes out, but you can actually load the Iroquois and bits and pieces to put back together into a C-130, and within a matter of a few hours of landing somewhere, you can put that together and it's fully operational. We've deployed the Huey all over the world. Everybody knows we do the old hurricane or tsunami release around the Pacific, doing that sort of work. Not quite well known is we used to take them down to the ice and operate down in Antarctica with the Huey. Recent major deployments have been to East Timor and Solomon Islands. The Iroquois itself, part of 3 Squadron, which is based at Mahania now, in Manawatu. Used to be based in Hobsonville, but obviously with all the changes that we go through, Hobsonville is now closed, and the Iroquois is based, and has been for the last decade, down in Manawatu. doing troop insertions, resupplies, underslung loads. Every capability that Iroquois is capable of doing is used. Now all of you people standing along the fence line, Rob's about to finish the display, so please give him a big wave as he goes past, because they're heading out to Christchurch International to get some gas and carry on with the work that they need to do. So that, ladies and gentlemen, was 3 Squadrons Iroquois helicopter. Right, there may be just a moment's delay here.